Welcome back to Noka Media, your source for Northern Ontario homegrown media content.
On November 26th, Noka Media participated in the BBQ For Humanity, hosted by Moving Mountains and Chef Sylvain. Many people gave out. We served over 200 portions. And we also got to witness the great work being done by SOS, who were open at the same time. Energy Court, the homeless encampment itself, continues to grow. It is much denser and much wider spread than it was when we were here just over a month ago. This is the macaroni salad that Noka Media donated. We brought 200 portions, and there were also 4 big extra tubs.
Hey everybody, today is the big day. I'm so excited. You know, some people like to play hockey, sports. Some people, they enjoy fishing, which I do also. But, you know, the highlight of my day is to help people. That's what I love to do. Help people in need. And today is like the Stanley Cup of it for me. Moving mountains, baby. So I'm going to Energy Court in Sudbury. It's not just French River. Today, it's about the people that live in Energy Court in those tents, right? And I don't care how they got there. You know, today I'm going to go help them and to show them some humanity. And the truck is empty right now, the box, but it's going to be full of coolers of cold pop, cold water, buns, hot dog. Hey everybody, jackpot. So there you go, $1.88 here, $1.88 for 8 hot dog buns, right? I bought 25 packs, equals 200 buns for Energy Court. I want to thank Kate's Helping Hand for donating $80 so I could buy the buns, and she told me she was going to be there. So see you there, Kate. Can't wait to say hi.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have a story or event you would like to see featured on this channel, just send us an email at nocaudits@gmail.com.